Where is Matt? It's time to start.
How long do you think we should wait?
I can't wait. I'm on a deadline and I need help right away. Do you know how to share a Miro board with someone outside my company? It's really important.
Actually, I can help with that. I was curious, so I made notes earlier today. You see, the key is understanding who you want to share your board with and how much access you want to give them.
Chris, you have notes already?
Who cares, Jen? This isn't the time to be competitive.
Okay. Can you walk me through it?
Sure. With any Miro board, you can have a range of sharing options. You can have a private board. You can share it with specific people only, or you can grant access to a group like your Miro team. When you share the board, you control the access rights. You can choose whether people can view, comment, or edit the content. With these two levers, you can change access up or down as needed. If you want to check who currently has access to your board, the icon on your share button is your first clue. See this lock? At the moment, I'm the only one who can see this board. If you want to change that, I just open the share window. Each line refers to a different way of sharing. The top line is for inviting specific people, and the second line grants access to anyone who is a member of the Padia Games team. The third and the fourth lines define what happens if the board link is shared at my company or with anyone at all, which is also known as a public link. Now that I gave anyone with the link at my company comment access, the icon on my share button also changed.
I think I understand, but can you watch me try it on my own board? Okay, first I open the share window. I definitely want my internal team to have edit access since we are both collaborating together, but I want an external consultant to have view-only access. Can I do both?
Yes. You can mix and match levels of access as needed.
That's cool. That's cool. Okay, sorry, I've had so much coffee today. Okay, I'm also going to invite you both to see if you can get in. Can you test it right now to see if it worked? Did it work? I don't see anyone. It worked. Chris, thank you. Oh, I am so happy. Now, how do I kick you out? There's sensitive information on this board.
Seriously? Open the share window again and, under the sharing settings, you can remove us. Jeez, Jen.
Great. So, are we good here?
I am so sorry I'm late. Did I miss anything?
Oh, Jen couldn't figure out how to share her Miro board, but Chris had it covered.
Oh, cool. That's amazing. Thank you, Chris. Oh, okay. Well, sharing your first Miro board unlocks a new level of collaboration with Miro. Great work, everyone. This is a big accomplishment. And what about you? Are you ready to share your first Miro board?